After the trials and the anguish, the heavens answered Job. His faith, tested and proven, was rewarded with blessings beyond what he had before. The forces of good triumphed, and Job's life was renewed with greater abundance and joy, as if the universe itself was setting things right. His restoration was like the first light of dawn breaking through the darkest night, a powerful testament to the enduring promise of hope. Job's story concludes with a powerful reminder that perseverance and unwavering faith, even in the face of overwhelming adversity, can lead to renewal and a brighter future. This narrative is a beacon of hope, showing that even the deepest wounds can be healed and transformed into sources of strength and wisdom.